Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by proving ownership. Apple won't remove an Apple ID without legitimate evidence. Locate the device serial or IMEI on the box in Finder or Settings General About and have the original receipt or invoice ready. If you're not the original owner, get written permission. This is crucial. Once done, make sure the device is backed up and charged. These steps let Apple verify your claim and prevent delays when you contact support for activation lock removal. Next, you'll attempt official recovery channels because they're secure and legal. First, try I forgot. Apple. Com to reset via the account email or trusted phone number. Follow verification prompts. If that fails, open the Apple Support app on a different iPhone or iPad and start an activation lock or Apple ID recovery case. This gets a support ticket and timelines. Meanwhile, connect the device to your Mac or PC with Finder or iTunes ready, so you can restore software if Apple clears the lock. Finally, contact Apple support or book an Apple Store Genius Bar appointment and present the proof you prepared. Serial/IMEI, original receipt and ID. Apple will verify and, if approved, remove the Apple ID or activation lock. Follow their exact instructions. This may include a remote device wipe or a restore via Finder. If Apple rejects the request, ask for case escalation or request a senior advisor review. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.